Alright, okay, today we're doing the actual horoscope, cylinder number, that's, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cylinder number 5 I'm doing. So you see it there, I'm going to go in the camera now. So I'm just going to pull it back so you can see properly what I'm doing. So, okay, let's go back in, let's have a look, take this off. Alright, let's have a look closely, that's the valve there. That's the top, so it's already, that's your valve. I keep going down, keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. See the cylinder wall? So once see that side there, there's nothing there. You go around, go around, go around, go around, turn it around, and then it's on your, on this side here it's pretty scored. There's your piston there. You turn it one more time the other side, so you don't have any scoring on that side there. No scoring, but if you look at that side there, comparing, that's pretty bad. Alright, so